Intercom recently launched a new website and is setting new standards for tech startups. It's genuinely that good. Here's what you can learn from it and implement on the website of your SaaS business. Hi there, my name is Matt and I'm co-founder of Omnius, a holistic B2B SEO agency that has the pleasure of collaborating with some of Europe's most innovative SaaS and fintech companies. During our work, I get to see how web design directly influences critical business metrics such as trial to paid ratio, revenue growth, overall market positioning. For several years now, the B2B marketing focus has been transitioning from outbound to inbound, and with it, the website is increasing the importance of its role. From a static online presentation, the function that is served in 90s and 2000s, to a dynamic platform meant to be the foundational element of market positioning. So the website nowadays actually heavily influences both marketing performance and also internal operational efficiency, so meant to actually drive down the cost of customer support, sales, user onboarding, user education, and such. Intercom is one of a very few market oracles that did the website redesign process really well. Here is what they did and what you can also implement. Number one, the balance between UI and UX. You can like or dislike it, but the UI of Intercom's new website is differentiating. More importantly, the UX is not compromised because of it. The new design adds up to the market positioning by simply being very different from, well, most of the websites we've seen so far, but it doesn't hurt user education or the conversion rate because of its straight-to-pointness. Number two, multi-feature sections. By displaying all product features within a single section early on their website, Intercom makes it easy for users to become educated about the product, its use cases and potential benefits without having to go through the whole page, which on average is done by less than 20% of visitors. On our projects at Omnius, we are seeing a highly positive influence of multi-feature sections on the website's engagement rate and especially the trial to paid ratio. By implementing this type of section, you can maximize product-related user education on the website, which ends up being pretty important down the road. You can see similar sections on Notion, Framer, Writer.com or AuthoredUp. Number three, social proof elements and CTAs. After 10 plus years of working with different startups, I find that most conversion problems lie in one of three areas. Number one, not enough easily digestible user education on the website. Number two, not enough social proof elements. And number three, not enough clarity or quantity of CTA elements. Intercom is really good at all three. On all important website pages that are meant to convert visitors, we can see social proof elements such as testimonials, trusted companies, statistics, and more that feel very natural and authoritative. Regarding the CTAs, we can see variations of highly intuitive CTAs including Get Started, View Demo, Start Free Trial, and View Our Pricing, and variations of a single and multi-CTA sections. As you scroll the website, some CTA is always available, making it easy for visitors to convert as soon as they make up their minds. Number four, technical performance. One of the foundational elements of healthy SaaS growth is the SEO. We can see it in numerous cases, from Deal, Zapier to HubSpot and Canva. They've all heavily relied on organic growth. And simply, you can't build stable SEO growth without a technically optimized website. Intercom has done a good job with the technical part of their website as well by keeping fonts and graphics big enough, the contrast between the background and on-page elements intense, and all technical performance nuances of the website optimized. Additionally, I believe that we don't talk enough about the fact that complex animations are killing both technical performance and user experience. And here again, Intercom has done a great job by not including complex animations and only included micro interactions that do not add up to the weight of the website. Number 5, shorter landing pages. We can see that Intercom's landing pages are not long vertically. More and more SaaS websites are implementing shorter pages and more direct funnels, which makes sense as the competition is increasing and visitors have less patience to go through endless series of website sections. Recent marketing studies also confirmed this hypothesis. We tested this approach on the homepage of our website and saw a 30% plus increase in the quarter-over-quarter growth of conversions. Number 5, low friction from website to app. Intercom made the transition from the website to the app very seamless, minimizing the room for friction and a potential drop-off during the onboarding. They've also maximized the probability of user converting from trial to paid by educating people on the website about the inside of its product before they start the onboarding process, and they didn't stop there. They're also continuing their education and guidance after the registration phase. Number 6, founder-led content. One of the rising trends on B2B website is the content created by founders. On Intercom's website, you can read the statement from their CEO. Similar content examples can also be found on Basecamp, Shopify, or Compound. Putting the face in front of the B2B brand can create a deeper connection with your audience and iteratively increase the retention and LTV. Number 7, design iterations. One last thing to learn from Intercom's example is that they, and as they I mean a company of 1,000+ employees, are doing website redesign in phases. The optimization of important pages is prioritized, while secondary ones, as you can see, are still as they were before. So the design or redesign of the website, especially for startups, doesn't need to take months. You can deploy pages fast, learn from the results, and make further changes based on the collected data. The iterative approach in the website development has proven to be much more effective than the traditional methods. Hope this case study brought you a directly applicable value. Our team writes similar case studies on a regular basis, such as how we went from 0 to 2.7 million organic clicks in just 13 months in the AI SaaS niche, or how Airbnb managed to be so efficient with its programmatic SEO, or how AuthoredUp increased their conversions by 64% with our help. You can find all of these and more on our website at omnius.so. Thank you for sticking through. See you soon.